spread of extremist ideologies and organized terror activities has become alarmingly common in Bangladesh, with new cases surfacing that point to a deep rooted conspiracy. These actions are also spilling over to neighboring India, with Bengal emerging as a hotspot for cross border infiltration. Namaskar, I am Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. Today, we delve into a chilling narrative that highlights how transnational terror is no longer a distant threat but an immediate peril seeping through our borders. The recent incidents of violence and unrest in Bengal bear the hallmarks of extremist ideologies originating from Bangladesh, threatening India's sovereignty and security. The latest in this series of alarming events unfolded in Bengal, where authorities have identified radical elements suspected of having links to Bangladeshi extremist outfits. This is not an isolated case, but a part of a disturbing trend. Bengal, a state known for its cultural and historical significance, now faces a grave threat from a nexus of cross-border terror networks. Reports indicate that groups with roots in Bangladesh have been exploiting porous borders to infiltrate India, fueling communal unrest and orchestrating violent attacks. These extremist factions often find refuge in regions with weak border security, enabling them to smuggle arms, propaganda, and even recruit locals to their radical cause. Indian intelligence agencies have flagged several such cases where sleeper cells were activated to disrupt harmony, leaving communities in fear. This incident is reminiscent of the earlier acts of violence rooted in Bangladeshi extremist ideologies. The Holy Artisan Bakery attack in 2016 shocked the world as gunmen linked to ISIS-affiliated groups targeted innocent civilians. The incident exposed the deep-seated influence of terror organizations like Jamaatul Mujahideen Bangladesh and Ansarullah Bangla Team, both of which have been banned internationally but continue to operate covertly. Bangladesh, since its liberation in 1971, has grappled with the duality of secular ideals and rising Islamist extremism. Over the decades, radical factions have sought to destabilize the country, undermining its governance and spilling their toxic ideologies across borders. The assassination of secular bloggers, attacks on minorities, and even government offices have been orchestrated by these elements, revealing the persistent threat of terror lurking in its shadow. India has long been a victim of these spillover effects. In 2014, JMB operatives were found responsible for the Burdwan blast in Bengal, where a network of radicalized individuals was discovered assembling explosives to be used in attacks within India. Similarly, the Fulbari Sharif terror module exposed last year underscored how deeply entrenched these networks have become. The Indian government has intensified efforts to secure borders, with agencies like the Border Security Force working tirelessly to thwart infiltration. Yet, the growing sophistication of these networks demand even greater vigilance. Bangladesh's domestic political landscape adds another layer of complexity. While Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's government has taken steps to curb terrorism, factions within the opposition, including the Bangladesh Nationalist Party and extremist clerics, continue to provide covert support to radical groups. This raises a pressing question. How long can India bear the brunt of a neighbor's internal chaos spilling over its borders? India must remain resolute, bolstering its intelligence sharing agreements with Bangladesh and pressing for tangible action against extremist factions operating within their borders. International cooperation is vital, but Bangladesh must also confront its demons with unflinching resolve. Jai Hind.